Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature, typically at Haulover Inlet, but today we are visiting Boca. And man, we've seen a lot of small boats come out today. And you know, that's something we typically don't focus a lot on this channel. I mean, most of you guys love seeing the big boy toys come rolling through these inlets, but the small boats, they have their place as well, and sometimes they can be just as fun to watch. But the big boats, we like them a little bit because they seem to have a little easier time. They seem to come rolling up a little faster, which adds a little bit more to the excitement. But today we're going to flip the script a little bit and we're going to focus on the little guy that could get it done, and we're going to watch several small boats come in and do battle with Boca Inlet and see how they fare. And typically this is man and machine taking on Mother Nature, but today we're going to let our boaters take on each other and we're going to pick our favorite run of the small boats coming through the inlets, and we'll go ahead and step into round one where we're going to have a little Boston whaler making its way into Boca. Now, I don't know what it is about these little whalers, but for whatever reason, they seem to crush the inlets. It doesn't matter what the conditions are, whether they're going in or coming out, they seem to fare pretty good. And our girl here in the bows activated cheat mode a little bit. Typically, I would say that's not a good spot to sit, but she's in a beanbag chair, and if you've never experienced that, she probably doesn't feel a thing. And overall, this crew does a pretty good job taking this little whaler through a rough inlet here at Boca. Then here in round two, we're going to feature a key largo making its way into Boca Inlet, and this crew has the throttle pinned absolutely flying. Once again, showing you don't always need a big boat to come in and crush an inlet. And this key largo, once again, looks pretty solid as well, making their way into Boca, and right now I would say has the early lead on the best run. But here we go, the queens of Boca and the Sen themselves, the Blue Top Legend, making their way out of Boca, getting air, getting the screams, and having a good time. And right here we can see the actual launch and liftoff off the wave as the girls go flying out of Boca. And unfortunately for our key largo in the last round, I got a feeling the girls are going to take the early edge for me on taking the best run. And that'll take us into our fourth round, and let's see if the girls got anybody out there who can compete with them on full sending it right out of Boca with these small boats. And here we go, another whaler. Our crew is taking the Super Sport and going at it. I mean, these guys really are in one of the smallest boats on the water. This is a 13-foot Boston whaler with a little 40 on the back, and you can tell it's not an easy day here at Boca. I mean, they're going out there and taking on the conditions in this 13-foot boat. To give you an example, that jet ski that passed them is almost the same length as this boat. But our crew's gonna make it out. They don't quite have the speed and the height as the girls, but still great run in a 13-foot boat. But I've still got to hold my edge to the Blue Top Legend still having the lead. But let's head into our fifth and final round and see if somebody's gonna compete with them. And here we go, another key largo making its way toward the front of Boca Inlet. And our crew, same deal. They have the throttle down. They look pretty good. They're even going to catch a little bit of big boat wake here at the end, get a little air, come down, but it's not going to be enough. I'm going to have to give my vote to the Blue Top Legend, but my vote is the least important one. I want to know who you picked as the winner. Let us know in the comments below which boat you think had the best run. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we have the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens to the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.